This is one of those auto repair jobs you wish you had not gotten into. Why didn't I say no? But it's coming out. Mazda CX-7 turbo, whatever, coming out. I've seen easier baby deliveries than this. Of course, we men always say that. But I see why you got to pull the whole front off the car, and I'm glad I had the radiator and everything out. This was a battle. That transmission looks real secure. Yes, it does. I hope the owner of this car never looks at this YouTube video. But thank God it's coming out.